Hello guys, welcome back to Netking Solutions. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to fill in your KDP tax information if you are Nigerian. Remember in my previous video, I showed you guys how to fill in your payment method using Payoneer. And I also promised you guys I'm going to be showing you guys how to fill your tax information. So stick around, watch it to the very end and don't skip any parts. So you could just follow exactly the steps I'm going to show you guys to fill your tax information. So if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I upload videos like this. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Without further ado, let's get started. Just log into your KDP account, and right here you just click on your account here. Come over to this tax information section, and it take you to this place, and you click on view and provide tax information. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is to take the tax information interview. So you just click here, take interview. Alright, so we are here. So the first part here is information about you. So it's saying here what's your tax classification. So you can select individual. You're an individual. So the next thing is are you a US citizen? No, you are not. So you just click on no. You're a Nigerian, you are not a US citizen. So the next thing is the next question is are you acting as an intermediary agent or another person receiving payments on behalf of another person, or as a flow through entity? No. Okay. All right, this tax identity information here. Key in your full name here, and then select your country, which is Nigeria. Okay, so here you are gonna select if you have 18. If you have 18, that's where you check this box. I have a non-US team. I have a non-US tax identification number. Or if you don't, just uncheck this place. And your reason is that the country where I'm liable to pay tax does not issue TINs to its residents. So you can either select this option, or you can select here and just click on continue. It will take you to the last part, which is signing and submitting it. Alright, just make sure you check this box here just to show your approval that you consent to provide electronic signature for the information provided. You understand? So just check that box, and down below here, this signature here, you just type in your full name. Just type in your full name here. So electronic signature. Right, and make sure you check this box here to certify that you have the capacity to sign for the person identified in line 1 of this form. Okay. Alright, so the next is select the date and click on save and preview. Alright, so this is it. You are done filling the tax information. So you just hit on this submit form here. Just click on the submit form. So guys, that's it. Just as simple as that. That is how to fill in your tax information on KDP. And I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please kindly subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can receive notifications each time I upload videos like this. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. I really appreciate. See you in my next video. Bye bye.